Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the center burner orifice holder in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Lift off the 3 grates. Remove all of the burner caps and lift the center burner base straight up to remove. Using a 3/16" socket or nut driver, unthread the mounting screws securing the front and rear burner bases. With the screws unthreaded, lift each base straight up to remove. Next, use a 1/4" socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws, securing the orifice holders to the main top. Pull off the control knobs. You can use string or wire to help pry them off. Open the oven door and use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the valve control panel. Remove the panel. Unthread the 2 screws securing the main top. You can now pull the main top forward and lift up to remove. Disconnect the wire from the igniter. Use a 1/2" wrench to unthread the nut to release the old orifice holder. Install the new orifice holder by inserting the gas supply tube into the valve, then thread the nut. Avoid over-tightening the nut. Connect the wire to the igniter. Reinstall the main top by aligning the rear edge under the retaining tabs. Confirm that the orifice holders and igniters protrude through the holes in the top. Thread the 2 screws to secure. Reinstall the valve control panel by aligning the slots at the top with the bracket tabs. Then thread the mounting screws. Replace the control knobs. Thread all of the screws to secure the orifice holders to the main top. Reposition the burner bases so the igniter aligns with the notch in the base. Thread the mounting screws to secure the front and rear bases. Realign all the burner caps. Reinstall the grates. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.